This is a tutorial for joining a Google Meet even if you don't have a Google account. A host has probably already sent you an email that's going to have all the information that you need. Simply click to get to the opening screen. You can prepare yourself before you enter the Google Meet. This is going to include muting your mic, turning your camera off, or you can blur your background. If you'd like to blur your background or change your background, click on this icon and you're going to have some choices that you can take a look at before you enter the meeting. When you're ready, click on Join Now. When you enter, you still have the option to mute as well as turn your camera on or off. If you're only a participant in the meeting, it's always a good idea to mute your mic. That way, unexpected noises won't disrupt the meeting. There are two places that you can set how you want to view the meeting. The first one is at the top, and the second one is in the lower right-hand corner. Let's start at the top. Here you're going to find a list of everybody who is already in attendance in the meeting. If you know who the presenter is, you can find them in the list. Click on this thumbtack and it's going to pin them to your screen, and that will be the only person that you see throughout the meeting. If you want to end that, you simply click to unpin it. You can also click in the lower right hand corner to go to your settings. Select Change Layout. You have a few choices of how you prefer to see your layout of the meeting. The first choice is Auto. Auto is going to make it so that the person who is speaking or is making noise is going to be the person that pops up on your screen. This is what's going to make it really important for participants to mute their mic. The next one is tiled. It simply looks kind of like the Brady Bunch. Everybody is just tiled for the number of people that you see. If you have more people than who you see on your screen, you can go down to the slider at the bottom and move that all the way to the right. That will go up to 50 people per screen. If you're in a meeting with more than 50 people, you're going to notice there'll be an arrow to the right that you can go to the next screen, and then you can toggle back and forth. Spotlight is going to lock one person in, so you only see that person. Slide bar is going to lock that person in, but you're still going to have small pictures of all the other participants to the right hand side. And with that, sit back and enjoy your meeting inside of Google Meet.